Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got. I ordered from Beautylish. Oh my gosh, they were so freaking fast. It was like 2-day shipping, super quick. I did open it, but you guys know I put everything back in its packaging. So this is it. The packaging alone on this, I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm not throwing it away, okay? This is, I'm guessing, all his tattoos that he has on his body. Red rum, and it has like a lipstick, his lion tattoo. It is super nice. Like, I haven't even ripped it off. You know how you usually rip it off? I was like, no, I'm going to just pull it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's freaking awesome. I wanted to order Blue Blood, but it has not been restocked yet. So once it restocks, you know I'm gonna be on it. So until then, we are going to play with Blood Sugar. And I just love the packaging. When I opened it the first time, I was like, I'm sorry you guys, I could not wait. I was just, especially because like it came so fast. I was like, oh my gosh, like I gotta open it. So here is the packaging. It has his logo. So this is the Blood Sugar. You pull it out, and I love the freaking packaging, you guys. That it's so freaking nice. I'm so mad at myself that I didn't purchase sooner. Like, look at that. And then you open it. The mirror is a very nice, decent size. You have these beautiful shades. I have not swatched them. I was just like this, like that the whole time. I like how everything is so freaking nice. I always tell you guys, packaging is key, and he killed it with this. Now I know why everyone was so hyped about it, because I'm like, really, you guys, like really? And they're like, yes, like you have to get it. So I'm so glad I did, because it is freaking stunning. I am going to go in with my Morphe eyebrow pencil, the Morphe micro brow pencil, and I will be using the shade Chocolate Mousse, and then just bleed through my brow. So go very lightly at the beginning, and then work the rest of the product through my brow, and boom. See the freaking difference? Huge difference. Bam, wham. Ooh, that looks good. I really like how that came out. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. This one is $2.60. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Makeup Shack small fluffy brush, and we're gonna go in with Fresh Meat. Just going to just sort of just stamp that just like in my crease. Just kind of like lay it and then sort of try to blend it. And it does look like meat. It does look like carne. Like the color of it, you know? Going to lightly blend right here. Let's go in with Cherry Pop. I'm just going to add that in the crease just to sort of deepen that and really make that intense. I'm just gonna really focus and just blend the edges so it doesn't look like we just slapped color on there. So going in with Cake Mix with the Morphe E17, I'm going to lightly apply it right here, just right there. Because I hate when I'm playing with a lot of color and then I feel like there's like a lot of naked space and there's no love. So I like going in kind of with like a neutral tone and just kind of going in and just kind of blending that in. So even if we do have to leave it naked right here, it just looks like, oh, everything's well blended and it looks just really good and doesn't just look like this. So this, how this looks compared to just this, there's a big difference, you know? So Cake Mix looks like it's going to be a really nice shade to use for those sort of occasions. And it also looks like a really nice shade just to throw all over the lid. And you guys know I love shades like that. And what I noticed in this palette too, it has a lot of sort of like warm shades, like a lot of warm browns, where you could do a really pretty bronzy look as well. So it gives you the colors to, it gives you the option to play with like color and then to stay safe, you know? So picking up Cavity, I'm just gonna place it right above here. Okay, now going in with my Urban Decay Brow Tamer, and this one is in the shade Clear. I'm going to add that on my brows just because some of my brow hairs are coming down. I'll be going in with Root Canal. It's kind of like a Barney purple. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm just going to just blend this at the end, just to kind of like give it a little bit of boom. So just a little bit at the end. Just like that, nothing too much, but just enough where you can see that Barney purple pop in. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T48. So this is a ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 00. And I'm gonna go in with Glycos and pat that to my inner eye. And we're gonna pick up the shade right there, which is Cavity. I'm just going to add that right at the edge. And I'm just going to try and fade those two shades together. I'm gonna go in and we're gonna go in with the Makeup Shack small blending brush, and we're gonna pick up Fresh Meat, and we're just going to add that just at the end, just like that, so everything just fades. Add that just like that. I'm gonna be using a Makeup Shack eyeliner brush, and I will be using the Balm Meat Mattes. And this one is in the shade Devoted. I'll be picking up Coma. I really like how he has details on everything. And I'm just going to lightly just blend that at the edge. So lightly blend it. And kind of tap over that eyeliner, because right now it's still kind of tacky. I'm just waiting for it to dry down. So for now I'm just pressing. And then over here I can lightly blend. So I'm gonna go in with this highlighter, which is King Tut, and I'm just going to place it right underneath my brow bone. Kind of lightly bring it down. And you gotta make sure that the eyeliner is dry, because it will transfer to the white if it's not fully dry. So make sure before you move on to any other step that the eyeliner is dry, because it will transfer and then you'll have some red on your eyelid and it just looks like a mess, and it can ruin a good day, just saying. Go in kind of with like a pink right here. He does have a pink shimmer candy floss, and I'm just going to apply a little bit right. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I'm like debating which one I should use. I think I'll go in with this one because just how my eyeliner is red, and this is sort of like a reddish neon lip color. This is the LA Color Shockwave Neon Lip Liner in Fury. So going in with Cavity, I will be using my Makeup Shack T58 brush. And then I will be going in with Root Canal, and I will be adding it to the end of my lash line, like that. I will be picking up Candy Floss and just adding a little bit over here. That looks nice, look at that. I don't know why Candy kisses all over me. Okay, so this is the completed look using the Blood Sugar palette. You guys already know I had put on my pink hoodie because I was like, this look looks so nice. I'm very impressed with the pigmentation on this palette. I can't wait to order the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. If you guys are debating or not to play with this palette, definitely pick it up. It is really nice. I like that it has the browns in here to play safe and the berry shades as well. There's a lot of mattes and shimmer, so you're not kind of like, oh, what do I do? What do I do? I like that it has a really white eyeshadow. Then it has sugarcane, which is more of like a muted brown, and then it has cake mix, which I can apply it all over my lid and be really good. I do want to do a brown look with this palette because I cannot get over Donor. It kind of reminds me of the highlight kind of formula. Yeah, I'm really glad that I played around with it. I'm really happy with the look that I came out with. You guys let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if I should order the Blue Blood. I'm going to order it, but let me know if you guys would like to see a look with that one. Again, we'll show you guys. Besos a todos. Thank you guys so much for watching me, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep up in my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.